Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. The all-electric Toyota bZ7 2026 made its world premiere at the Shanghai Motor Show. This large sedan is the new flagship model of Toyota's electric vehicle lineup in China. The model, which will be launched in China next year, aims to enter the large electric sedan market. At over 5 meters long, the bZ7 is in the same size figure as the Tesla Model S, Mercedes EQE and BMW i5. The electric sedan features a huge screen infotainment system running on Huawei Harmony OS. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.